'Cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross.
Hello friends, I am Sam Sharma and you are watching Sam Tech channel. So in this channel I show you some cool tricks about mobile phones and much more. So let's begin. In today's video I am going to show you how to set new ringtone in your new Android devices. There are so many simple steps you can use and I explain you so simple step. So first you have to download UC browser if you have already, so click on that. Then open Google. So you have to type ES File Explorer and then search. Here it comes. You can see play.google.com. It's Play Store link, and in bottom you can see ES File Explorer, esfileexplorer.en.uptodown.com. It is the simplest and fastest way to download it. So I already downloaded it. You can see here in my downloads. Here it is, ES File Explorer. So you have to just install it. You can see at the home page. If it is not there, you can open apps and you can see here. So here it is, ES File Explorer, and then open it. It takes time, please hold on. So here it is. Then you have to start now. Choose your music file or MP4 and MP3 to set your new ringtone. I choose this. So what you have to do, just open the audio file and select ES Media Player, then open it. So here it is, set ringtone. You have to click on it, and what you want to set it, set ringtone or set notification and set alarm. You can set all these. So I set as a ringtone. Thank you for watching my video. I am your friend. And what you have to do, please like my video, share my video and subscribe my video if you are new on my channel. And in right side of my subscription button you can see a bell or alarm button. It notifies you when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching my video.